Maybe one day I will realize Now I'm missing your touch, so I'm not okay. For a minute you were mine, we were low then we were high, so high. All along it felt so right, now I'm all so terrified. Oh why did I promise you my love? Oh baby, I couldn't keep it up, you know I tried. Sorry that I fucked up, left you with your heart spot. Now I'm missing your touch, so I'm not okay. Sorry that I messed up, wishing we could make up. Guess I'm missing your touch, yeah, I'm not okay. Oh, I fucked up, fucked up, fucked up, oh, I fucked up, fucked up, talk, you know I tried. Sorry that I fucked up, left you with your heart spot. Now I'm missing your touch, so I'm not okay. Sorry that I messed up, wishing we could make up. Guess I'm missing your touch, yeah, I'm not okay. Oh, I fucked up, fucked up, fucked up, oh, I fucked up, fucked up, fucked up.
The devil hit his second stride, but you remember what I told you. Someday I'll need your spine to hide behind, for fear of moments stolen. I don't wanna say goodnight, but I still see you in the morning. Still know your heart and still know both your eyes. I could've told you about the long nights. I'm the one who loves the birds that don't rise, so you can tell the heroes go hide. My sense of wonder is just a little tired. If only you could see yourself in my eyes, you'd see you shine, you shine. I know you never leave me behind, but I am lost this time. Are we destined to burn or will we last the night? I will hold you till I hold you right. If only you could see yourself in my eyes, you'd see you shine, you shine.
It's haunting this way. So we rushes in like a problem wider. Things tend to change, and you don't wanna. Don't be afraid when the pain falls on you. Let it wash away all of the pain on your shoulders. You gotta take it day by day. Keep moving forward no matter what they say. And when the leaves try to steal your faith, keep pushing through 'cause there ain't no other way. If you wanna get stronger, that's what I like about you. Because I know